This video will cover how to build mechanical kits. All four of these start with the same base: the monkey, the whale, the elephant, and the lion. When we get toward the end, I will show you how each of the four different animals are attached. But to begin, this is what it will look like when you are done. And the mechanism is an offset cam that makes it go up and down. Now to get started. In your box, you will have a baggie that contains everything you need to make each kit. This one is Arabella the elephant. You will pour out your kit and each one also comes with instructions. Look at the instruction page. The very first page tells you the parts list. Lay out your parts in that order. You also receive sandpaper in case there are any rough edges. We'll set that aside. So part 1, part 2, part 3 is the animal, and different kits will have different animals. This one has the elephant. Part 4 will be 8 of the little round washer looking things. Then part 5 is the cam. Part 6, 7, and 8 have different measurements. They are all dowels. Whoop. There is a ruler included with your kit because these are measured and marked on here. So this is number 6. No, this one's number 6. This one's number 8. And these two are number 7. They line up with the number 7. So we've got 6, 7, and 8. Then number 9 is this longer one. Number 10, there are 2 of them. Number 11, there is a short one. Number 12 is the base. Number 13 is the grass or waves, depending on which animal you have. 14 are 2 larger washers, and 15 is part of the base. Now we'll turn to the next page to begin. I'm going to push my pieces up so they're out of the way, but try and keep them in somewhat of an order. All right, page 1. We'll be building the base. It tells you which numbers you need to build the base. So we'll take 12, 10, 9, and 15. After you glue these, you are going to need these to help make sure they align correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and line them up like that. You are going to be gluing this down and these will fit in each hole. You can try them out ahead of time to make sure that they're fitting properly. If you need to sand anything off, now would be the time to do the sanding. It's always good to try it out before you put the glue on, because once it's glued, it's difficult to change it. So that's how it would be assembled. So we will disassemble it and leave the parts where they need to be. You will also need glue. Elmer's glue is good. I usually put a squirt on the plastic to keep it nearby and make it so I don't have to keep opening and closing it. You also have a brush included with the kit. You're going to be putting glue right here on this piece and fit it into the slot. Right here on this piece and fitting it into the slot, and on the whole bottom of this piece. Spread it out evenly. We don't want it squishing out at the sides. And line it up. Push against it. And then these can be as spacers just to make sure that it's lined up properly. And that is the base.